Welcome in the makeup therapy. I'm Manuela. I'm a 45 years old mom who likes makeup, and today I'm collabing together with Beauty Over 40 group, and we gonna make a look celebrating the National Beach Day. And honestly, it was a little bit challenging for me because I live in Scotland and here are beautiful beaches. However, the freezing, cold, rainy weather throw me far away from the coast. However, I will bring my best memory. Maybe I will also show you the shoots from the beaches which I was visiting this year, because I was very lucky to be in Spain, in the Costa Bianca beach, and then in California, in Newport. And yeah, and I will just maybe show you if I find the because I had a very beautiful time with my gorgeous friends from this makeup community, and we were able to hear the waves together. That was really amazing. I wanna using the palette from Arttitude Cosmetics, their last release Metamorph palette. It's very pretty. The color story and the shades and the consistency of the shades really amazing. I'm thinking that I will do some look with the maybe with this shade, with this, and with this shimmer, something quite simply. That's my plan. If you are interested how it will come out, it will be just very easy look. Keep on watching because it might turn any direction. Okay, I prime my eyes with the PLouise base number 3, and I will use the first shade. It's like a dark purple and called Imperial from Metamorph palette, Arttitude Cosmetics. One more time, I'm shouting about them because they are really they did very good job with this palette. I use it several times on my channel. You can see the looks with this palette, and it will be a look which more or less gives a glimpse of water. That's what I was thinking, being inspired by this palette, but by the particular shimmer which I want to use. I took out my latest shopping, and I can tell you that this one was a winner, and I swatch a lot. You see how it goes? Oh, there's something on my... I'm using the PLouise base Rumor 03, and here in the kind of the edge of the bone I'm starting and trying to keep it quite like up. So you know how it goes when you have a hoodie eyes. All goes very well, but you need to remember to put it a bit high. I think that hooded eyes are charming. It's not a just problem, but you know, might sometimes challenge, especially with liners, I think. So this is what we have. This is very pretty shade, very pretty purple. If you're a purple lover, this palette is a must-have. No, it's not, but it's very good. I'll put a little bit in the inner corner too. Should do take smaller brush. I like especially these flat shimmers here. They look good on my maturing, especially hooded eye, because that wrinkling is there, right? Of the shape, so it was always there. Okay. Put a little bit. My child, maybe you will hear, maybe not, I don't know. I hope that I can cancel this noise, because she does. She's a very lovely child, but loud rather than quiet. I will take another shade and another brush. Both are actually from Arttitude. This is didn't plan it. And I will take the Monarch shade, this box here. I'm just try to kind of diffuse a little bit upwards from the front. Like so, just a little bit. And I want to take this cocoon shade, this one here. Really very pretty. And I'll put it in the middle of my lid. This is not a glimpse of water. So pretty. It's like almost no base and just this glimpse. I did this both sides, the water, and I'm thinking that I'll take this Peacock shade, this bright blue, and I'll just put like liner down here. I didn't plan it, but I feel like it kind of necessary. Just close to the lash line. Just like in the middle, maybe. Yes, absolutely. You'll hear talking my daughter in toilet. And all of flashing and all of other elements which are extra. Proving that I'm a mother. My baby is sick. And out of the school for some time, so honey, I'm recording.
I want to ask you something. I heard somebody calling.
Where?
I heard like somebody calling. It sounded like Fiona.
Yes, her mom.
Calling you. Because I heard like Elisa's voice.
Yes.
You for makeup. What's that makeup for?
It's for celebrating the National Day of the Beach. I told you about it, and you say that you have no idea. So I chose this shade because it's looking like water.
That looks like a butterfly loves water.
Yeah.
So this is the butterfly loves water beach.
Yeah.
Did
Did you see on the beach butterfly?
What?
Did you saw ever on the beach butterfly?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I saw like a pink and purple and blue.
That's pretty.
When I was on the water. When I got water, soda water, I helped it and then it floated away.
Alright, that's cool.
It looked amazing. I kind of miss it.
You kind of miss it.
Yeah, but my vacation, I remember a long time ago, not very long, but like this week,
Yeah.
I spotted a white butterfly.
White butterfly.
Only one.
That's nice.
I was gonna catch it.
You was trying to chase it.
Yeah.
Take
it. It fluttered to Paris. I could go
Paris.
because I could know because I saw it like a symbol of Paris.
Okay. Let's put it in the corner.
Oh yes, the Eiffel Tower.
The Eiffel Tower.
Yeah, so it's really
Did
nice.
you saw Eiffel Tower?
Yeah.
Really?
Oh, look. On the butterfly, yeah.
Mm.
Even I didn't know, but it's showing you what it looks like inside. There's a coffee shop.
Yeah.
Amazing. And you can go up, not very high, because you might fall down.
Okay. I'll get my rest of my face and keep chatting. Okay, so this is my final look. With the shiny cheeks, I would say. And just lip gloss. Lip liner, obviously. We can see the colors. This is the glimpse of water and the beachy vibe from me in this rather cold coast of Scotland this year. I hope that you have a fantastic time on the seaside and on any beach. Honestly, I love it, and I can't wait to see my friends from Collab. Please watch them. I will link down below all of the ladies. You could see the pictures in the beginning, so there is some advertisement straight away. But I can't wait to see and hear them. They are lovely, and if you are a creator who wants to join them and join this group, then you can reach to the girls to me, and I can direct you to the right point. It's a 1 month one time at the month collab. We have a team and we group together, and we enjoy that. Clearly, I'm doing that like over the year, and definitely I enjoy that. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you all very best, and I hope that you like this glimpse of water celebrating beach look. Write me a comment if you dislike, that's fine too. I would love to hear your opinion, and yeah, and one more time, wish you all the best. Only best waves. Bye.